17 surprising apple cider vinegar uses you should know. Apple cider vinegar is a kitchen staple that has a range of remarkable health benefits. Interestingly, there's also a lot of various cosmetics, household, and culinary applications. Apple vinegar applications include drying, washing hair, preserving food, and enhancing skin function. It can also be found in all kinds of recipes, including soups, salads, sauces, hot drinks, and more. In today's video, we will share with you 17 best surprising reasons to use apple cider vinegar at home. Number 1. To lower blood sugar. Apple vinegar is said to help diabetics regulate their blood sugar levels. Some studies have shown that using vinegar after a high-carb meal can enhance insulin sensitivity by as much as 34% and dramatically lower blood sugar levels. However, if you are on diabetes meds, you can consult with the doctor before taking apple cider vinegar. Number 2. To help you feel full. Apple cider vinegar is also recommended as a weight loss aid. That's because it can allow you to feel full. Many short-term tests have shown that using apple cider vinegar can help you consume fewer calories, lose weight, and decrease stomach fat. However, its long-term impact on weight loss is uncertain and likely to be minimal unless further nutritional and lifestyle improvements are made. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 3. To preserve food. Like other forms of vinegar, apple cider vinegar is an important preservative. In fact, people have been using vinegar as a pickling aid to preserve food for thousands of years. It functions by making the food more acidic, which deactivates the enzymes and destroys any bacteria in the food that could cause damage. Number 4. As a deodorizer. Apple vinegar is believed to have antibacterial effects. As a consequence, it is sometimes believed that apple cider vinegar may remove bad smells. There's no study to back up these arguments, but you can do it by combining apple cider vinegar with water to create a deodorizing spray. This is a natural solution to odor neutralizers. Number 5. To make a salad vinaigrette. One convenient way of using apple cider vinegar is to make a decent salad dressing. Homemade salad dressings can be a lot better for you than the ones bought from the store, and they're often tastier as well. Number 6. To lower the risk of cancer. It is also believed that apple cider vinegar will help lower cancer risk. In test tube tests, vinegar has been shown to kill cancer cells. Several controlled trials, which cannot confirm the cause, have also associated the intake of apple cider vinegar with a reduced risk of esophageal cancer. However, other reports have linked it to a higher risk of bladder cancer. Overall, there seems to be little data to make any statement as to the impact of apple cider vinegar on the risk of cancer. Number 7. To make an all-purpose cleaner. Apple vinegar is also a popular option for a natural alternative to commercial cleaning agents. This is due to its antibacterial properties. Mix 1 cup of water to half a cup of apple cider vinegar and a natural all-purpose cleaner will be there for you. It is worth mentioning, however, that while kinds of vinegar such as apple cider vinegar can destroy certain bacteria, they are not as effective at destroying harmful bacteria as commercial cleaning agents. Number 8. To soothe a sore throat. Apple cider vinegar is a common home medicine for sore throats. It is believed that its antibacterial properties will help to kill off the bacteria that could cause you the problem. There is, however, little evidence to justify its use in this manner. If you do it at home, make sure you combine the vinegar with the water before using it for gargling. That's because apple cider vinegar is quite acidic and has been known to cause burning of the throat when used undiluted. Number 9. As a facial toner. Anecdotally, apple cider vinegar is believed to help cure skin problems and reduce the symptoms of aging. As such, a lot of people choose to use apple cider vinegar to develop skin tonic. The general recipe is 1 portion of apple cider vinegar to 2 portions of water. This is then added to the skin with a cotton pad. However, if you have delicate skin, you may like a more diluted solution. Number 10. To trap fruit flies. Fruit flies can play the role of pests. Strangely, it's very simple to use apple cider vinegar to make an effective fruit fly trap. Just add some apple cider vinegar into a cup, apply a few drops of dish soap so that any trapped flies can sink, then you're ready to go. Number 11. To boil better eggs. Adding vinegar to the water that you are using to boil or poach eggs will help you produce reliably better eggs. That's because the protein in egg whites is firmer when subjected to more acidic liquid. When you're boiling eggs, you want to have the egg whites to firm up as soon as possible to keep the eggs in form. The use of vinegar when cooking eggs will also accelerate the coagulation or clotting of egg whites. This can be helpful if the shell breaks when the egg is boiling. Number 12. As a marinade. One way of using apple vinegar while cooking is to prepare a marinade. In reality, apple cider vinegar is a common ingredient in many steak marinades, giving the meat a sweet and sour taste. Combined with wine, garlic, soy sauce, onion, and cayenne pepper to make the steak taste delicious. Number 13. To wash fruits and vegetables. Pesticide residues on vegetables and fruits can be a problem for many people. This is why some people want to wash their fruits and vegetables in apple cider vinegar. The hope is that more organic residues will be eliminated than water alone. Although it is not completely clear why more pesticides can be eliminated when merely washed with water, it can help destroy any harmful bacteria on food. Number 14. To clean dentures. You should also use apple cider vinegar to disinfect dentures. While there is no consensus about the correct way of cleaning dentures, it is thought that the stains left by apple cider vinegar may be less toxic to the skin in your mouth than other cleaning agents. Number 15. As a hair rinse. An apple cider vinegar hair wash is said to reduce chemical buildup, detangle, and bring shine to your hair. Try to mix 1 part of apple cider vinegar with 1 part of water and spray the mixture over your scalp. Let it in a couple of minutes before you wash it out. If you have delicate eyes, consider doing this first with a weaker dilution, since the vinegar is very acidic. Number 16. To whiten teeth. Apple vinegar is acidic. However, some people prefer to use it to eliminate stains and whiten their teeth. To try this, apply a tiny amount of apple cider vinegar to your teeth with a cotton swab. The effects are not immediate, but repeated use can eliminate stains over time. However, be careful of the whitening of the teeth process. Make sure to clean your mouth very well afterward, as the acid will weaken the enamel on your teeth. Number 17. As a dish detergent. Washing your dishes in apple cider vinegar will help to destroy any harmful bacteria and keep them clean. Some people use it by adding it to their dishwasher, while others never use it in their dishwasher. Many blogs and natural health experts believe that apple cider vinegar has extraordinary health benefits, including improving stamina and curing illness. Unfortunately, there is not much evidence to support any of the arguments regarding health benefits. That said, some studies say that it may provide some advantages, including killing bacteria, reducing blood sugar levels, and facilitating weight loss. Apple vinegar seems to be healthy as long as you don't take too much of it. Will you start using apple cider vinegar after watching this video? Please let us know in the comments section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I can't grow this channel without your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy!